Hey everyone, welcome back to Med TV. Today we are diving into the fascinating world of geometry to understand the equation of a circle. So grab your notebook and let's get started. First, let's talk about what a circle is. A circle is a set of all points in a plane that have fixed distance from a given point. This given point is called the center of the circle. So this is the center of the circle. This is the given point and it's called the center of the circle. And the fixed distance is called the radius. So the fixed distance, so let's say this is the fixed distance from here to here is called the radius. Now, if you pick any point on the circumference of the circle, so let's pick any point on the circumference of this circle here. So let's pick a point from here. So let's say we pick a point from here. So the point should be X and Y. The distance from this point to the center, which is, let's say HK, is always R. That's the radius. This brings us to the distance formula, where we have D is equal to the square root of x2 minus x1 all squared plus y2 minus y1 all squared here. In our case, D is the radius. So D is the radius here. And the points are X and Y and H and K. So we can rewrite the distance formula to be R should be equal to the square root of X minus H all squared plus Y minus K all squared. To get the equation of the circle, we need to eliminate the square root. We do this by squaring both sides of the equation. So with our equation, we had R to be equal to the square root of X minus H all squared plus Y minus K all squared. So we square both sides. So the square here, this square cancel this square root. So we have the square of R, which is the radius, to be equal to X minus H all squared plus Y minus K all squared here. And there you have it. This is the standard form of the equation of a circle with center H and K and radius R. So the radius of the circle is R and the center of the circle is our H, K here, right? Now, let's look at some example. First of all, we will take a circle with center at origin. So the center at the origin, H and K will be 0, 0. Let's take a radius to be 5. Let's say our radius, which is R, is 5. We just plug these values into our standard form equation. So to plug these values, we just have 5 squared should be equal to X minus 0 all squared plus Y minus 0 all squared. When we simplify, you're going to get 25 should be equal to S squared plus Y squared. And this is our final answer. Let's take another example. So let's say we have a circle with center 3, -2 and radius 5. So when we draw our circle, we have our center here to be 3, -2 and our radius from here to there to be 5. Or let's change it to 4. So 4 here, right? So we just plug these values into our main standard form of the equation of the circle. So we get X minus 3 all squared plus y minus 2 all squared should be equal to 4 squared. So here we get x minus 3 all squared plus y plus 2 all squared to be 16. You can go ahead and simplify this equation, but I'll leave it here for you to do that. And this will be our final answer for this kind of question. So, and that's wrap up the equation of a circle. Remember, the key is to understand the relationship between the center, the radius, and any point on the circle. Practice this with different values, and soon you'll be a pro at this. If you find this video to be helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more math videos. See you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.